to our first alert weather. And usually when we say wild and weather, we don't want to talk about it,
No.
but that's not happening today.
No, nothing wild, just plenty of warm air today. That's what we'll likely have.
And we just continue this stretch of rainless days. I mean, we're on a pace here, Tevin. Where are we?
26 days since we've had measurable rainfall in Boston. I think today we'll make 27, tomorrow we'll make 28, but we do get rain. Alas, it is nearby, and that will likely arrive on Wednesday, Thursday, and it maybe even some on Friday too, but I don't think this is a washout of a forecast. It's really just scattered activity at best. So until then, it's dry. It is summer-like, although autumn arrives on Sunday at 8:43 in the morning. And typically, when we get to fall or autumn, our average high temperatures start to drop down into the mid-70s. Right around now, and then early October, we get into the 60s and then ultimately 50s for high temperatures in November on average. Look at where we're going the next couple of days. It's more late summer like today and tomorrow with highs in the upper 70s to low 80s. Wednesday is pretty much near average, but then every day after that, our high temperatures are cooler than normal. This morning, we are mild, though, at 52 degrees in Beverly, 59 in Boston, upper 50s across the seacoast of New Hampshire and the Merrimack Valley. High temperatures today, again, it will be very warm across the Merrimack Valley and the Monadnocks, too, right around 84 to 85 degrees. Across the shoreline, because of an east wind that we see set up for the second half of the day, that will cut down our temperatures just a little bit, but it will still be nice and comfortable outdoors if you're going out for a run or walking the dog, or maybe doing some outdoor grilling because it's so nice and dry. 82 degrees for our high temperature tomorrow, and then we slide down into the 70s on Wednesday as that disturbance arrives, bringing the chance of rainfall late night Wednesday, on and off throughout Thursday and some of Friday as well. Look at how much cooler Thursday is in the 60s and 70s, mind you. Over the next 7 days, the rainfall totals. Now, if you were watching yesterday, by the way, yesterday morning, we showed you that there will likely be a 2 to 3 inch zone across portions of the South Coast and Long Island. And look at how much further south that slid. Pretty much limited to Long Island, but some of the rain has now spread across the Merrimack Valley and also the Route 2 corridor. Still not looking at anything excessive in terms of totals, but the odds of rainfall will likely appear again late night Wednesday and early Thursday morning. So looking at timing here, still going to have to wait quite a while to get any sort of measurable rainfall. It would likely be midday on Thursday when things start to accumulate. And none of this, by the way, is severe. None of this will be extreme downpours, and we're also not looking at gusty winds. However, because this is a coastal storm, we do take on an east and northeast wind, which is why our temperatures drop down substantially for the second half of the week into the upper 60s for highs on Saturday and Sunday as fall begins, you guys, on Sunday.
Okay, thank you.